Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a free tool that helps you fix the "Your payout account is restricted from monetizing" issue on your Facebook Payout Hub due to unusual activity. Learn how to verify your identity and unlock your payouts. First, go to the download link in the description below and download the zip tool file. Once downloaded, open your downloads folder, find the file, and extract it to an easy-to-find folder. Next, open your Chrome browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. In the Extensions page, enable Developer Mode at the top right. Now, either drag and drop the extracted folder into this page or click Load Unpacked and select the folder to install the extension. After installation, you'll see a puzzle piece icon appear on your toolbar. Click it and pin the extension for easy access. Open the extension. Fill in all the required details shown on the screen carefully to ensure everything runs smoothly. Here, just upload a screenshot of your current payout status, like this one. When ready, click Start Now and wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. If the request fails, please wait 1 to 2 hours before reloading the tool and submitting again. During this time, avoid using any other tools to prevent conflicts that might affect future requests. Once you see the "Your request has been submitted successfully" message, head back to your payout and check the results. Congratulations! The Verify Documents alert has been removed and your payout dashboard is now clean and ready for use. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Good luck!